na letting wa me be. I mean mutual connection, not a mutual connection. Why if I were connect to like I may wait for years why I ain't be right? It's that I would call it my day stupidity here my why lost the control way what making the prevention exists before because a connection on a river, then you both go down, get down together. And then you say no be man see the relationship work about the swing. But along the line, the might do back off. The woman do more money here. Okay, now the one the 14 where a man no accept the pregnancy from the very beginning. All of a sudden, honor back up. The woman you buy a cook money here. Right. The woman you cook money here now. Unabo give a muye, or they could be away, or not carry on. A man am give me another sobe because Ubesoro equals so waro. Ye problem here disturb my way. They are fighters. They accept their mistakes and they move on. By the way, me holy way, me winamuna, what they went. The first time you had the coin, or you move the cane, or mweko me in a biwe. Oh, we accept a mistake or move on. Then at the end, a man and you know what move on, what be the life of when you live. But on when we way back of the mind or when you way one night stand. Now when I say I bear you wow, it may bear yam with Connie and you more not a merry boy. Or we mad or they're none of a sort you young marry here, you way marriage. Or the woman that if you're walking mail, in your walking mail, in your dark gave Virginia as well marriage you need. I don't imagine understand. So because in that case, now a man you're given for there are a lot of one night stand. No what in us do money here boy, right? Or rather, you are not consent where okay or monarchy boy. Then a man had to back off. Or I thought he wanted an ayagba or mona or man name or mona. So what I say no mona ya with marriage. Guy, attend the marriage ni. Make a peace with Obuwe. With Asian or here baby mama we now. Move on. As you can, you have no right to you can. You have no
sister,
right.
But in here no way. Then no money be now.
And in Nije when no be on ya be. Ije when your man now be, your man now be. But that doesn't mean we man now me right now do ya hold the ground. Ije when you want be.
When we mataredo awo vianye mo because if no say na awo vianye mo is because of working at all and eromo. You understand it now. So if you know ya way you decide the way from mona or you know maybe don't want another way don't want you go at way umana mu yo mo hu una bio enini abia eniria. You understand it now because omonu marry na ya kokoe. It is a one do when you more you time of your money, a process is anything. You understand it now. But at the end of the day, if you decide the way you have money, you no money, or I want your way, and you know when you need, you have rules.
Domo, what's it?
You understand it now. Do now what decide the way a mistake in our make a back and take a responsibility why we take carefully. Because if they nini mana, for example, menaga moro dioma
Epa la wagume report account na wana ya give a picture me ya fake account with TikTok.
Jesus.
Yeah, no wagume report account na palao. Kimana so esege do. Ovie gon wa no na ovie gon. You know, ona comment if you pege wo no kere. Na mute ona ya ki account ove. Ona je ni picture me ya ki so na lao. Na go me report Ima on vie na.
Okay, mama.
Epa continue.
Sister, I mean, you won't understand or where in winner do ilele way. Oh, yeah, no one free way or my responsible. Eddie in money. Why you will be money or where one or tia when in era. If we know ya way are near Obiare, a new Biani, you want money. Oh, we a dega say over Gualidabo. And Omona be in Nigeria now. Inya mege ni ya me omani ama no ma be ni ya nware inya ma mo gbini ya hwenyo ama we na biere webo but wani ho na zebe we omani no pastoral even your feel say oh ye na me we to wadwa overreact why overreact e money to bia inya ebe ni ya nware o bia ni anyo egbedokpa not your kind no dey give again no do to hospital o ma kina ma ho ya expect you so na do aye na me we adwa overreact. Only me
Epa,
try
o no
me
fala
akabu
o do
wawo.
nemi bra price, o vi fala o vi nemi give.
E we no see
Okwa
no
no
na do
fala o no.
eni
Lovely,
no re
lovely. Miss
family ni.
Otunde, where say?
Thank you.
Eni no re
Okwa no
family
fala o
ni.
no,
E
why
orun da
private ni.
ede. Una we obia me responsibility ugbeni ra yi ni obiye. Only metawo.
Okwa no fala o no, oh you
Do
know,
you know
my
we
e
on
baby
okay we
piana
be no bia
my
man dey
eniku.
responsible udo gbegbeni e yo. Is that not
Awa no
mistake upon
responsible
mistake?
ekwe mate we keke we ni we la dia serve ni ekwe gbijo. Don't want no me kwe no. Oga o ma no me kwe. O ma keke vu safe. On even no be ya lie o kamije ne quietly o ko yinya. Yen we abandon no wa. Yen we manisi yen wo ma keke ni revere ana. Nínú pé a nínú ẹ̀pẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ kọ̀ mọ́ ọ ẹ̀kọ́ yà ń yan owó ẹ̀gù yẹn wí
No
fún.
we tell your ni on your republic we wa do gbe ye fu e ba amrupa.
So veno wa le eberi o veno le ọ ní ọ̀hún no me pride ọ ma fa
E
wa
to
o.
ni me no we na deni no money can ya we marriage ni.
Veno money go
Enira
ahead no we marriage with any
deni no kan lo enira kan lo abie ni e.
eni nije mu ne ọya with the marriage ọ̀hún ẹ̀wẹ̀ náà gbé nira yẹ ẹ̀rá pàpọ̀ ní níní.
Brother man, you know, yeah, with marriage, na he. Like, man, you receive marriage, nobody cares. Nobody know a soul again. A church again, do ye ni nera mu nera from time. O ta so we marry. No, why nera no mwe ko nijeni. Ya we the marriage. Or do change I change at any time. Talk it take care. Also another way. Also another way. Marriage have to be a year plus or 2 years plan ahead. Marriage in our plan. We marriage in August. Who was planning right now? It has to be plans from last year, right? They told you change your task so we any ni obe. They told you okay we accept it. Nobody knows. Imadori is a party where
Exactly.
nobody knows.
Yeah.
Imadori the way you sorry, nobody knows. They just again, okay, okay, you ta so we any ya with the marriage. Oh, ta so we na de on avie ma de we awe ni cancel My dear, make me no here we marriage me okay.
Taso we eme right no
Yeah,
ya
don't let me
kame.
get me. So
Eme right no ya kame we no kaso taso we bru.
the fact
Eyan
now is
panya
this.
taso we ni.
Exactly. The fact
Yeah.
now is this. The
Eti
bottom
yen we
line.
adoptable bon.
Let's get it clear, right? Things happen, shit happens, right? But by the time una we okwo ukwa lo ye kegbe, but e mind we ute we nu ya play a game. Omona dolari, o ne no ho to boy. Nwine man ama muye, but omo dolari anye oni ye bie. It's an agreement, it's a mutual agreement. Obiepa. Wagagba ogwe o. Simple, a real man no dey sure what mona yen nyonya. Uma be do go dey sure ana ngumie DNA. Ya we DNA. Right, once you dey sure they were more now 1 year, why are you a man? Why are you a man? You face your responsibilities. Ikwe doni me, rib ni woman me. You got no 200 euros or 200,000 naira. Ona no way, when I do work with berry 100 ilajan. Ikwe doni me, egboligi, a rib ni woman, egboligi, you acceptable boy. Okay, 100 euro no way, and what way hero, we accept your money ni. Maybe once in 3 months or 4 months of it where we are. Maybe we're married and we're married and we're here waiting you. If here is 200 euros or 200,000 naira, where the way are my okay, ma. They were saying in 2 days time, some way 100 you are counting on that by me. A ribini woman. No, your bog baton and it be. As you can count me where you move on, except have some bagwan ni my they are left to their right. Okay, where they now 200 now bow web you now. I don't know if you get me. When I turn up on me, I had one a marriage here, and I went like marriage, and I went no. I'm not going to mean no more face to face. But take responsibility. Let that child know. No. Let that child know you are in their life. That's what is important.
We
knows.
a part of it honoro waketana umara sandi mena owe ya we gbege aya boyen redo umara sandi mena emi okpani imeo na sometimes eke emi na ti era no ma era oyo wano esoro owe ya here that your money a boy oh near dog where you only with a boy only kwe up my or honey or jayo or money or when you is a yo manic be a boom video. It's so raw. Again, I have your money on mine. It's so raw. When I wire highway money or what there from A to Z. So different categories. Not that they carry here where a kind of baby food or my account there on your romo. And we know this soon because a story na ya ibu vano. Our not fee cake baby may reason. No matter fee cake baby may reason because two people or two story no even soon that. So on your era, but not bar from pregnancy ni only that the era is not to be present. So I mean now ya could understand the way a story obey vano. We no be a reason no good ba. It could be reason no man our door. You understand?
Brother.
Le pardon, wesi. Iwa dami iwa ya sisanse ade eko wari ni. E pa wesi mame pate no eta wesi ade no robok ba roboku. Iwe ikbe so waro. Ikbe so waro. Ogi. No wara no roboku ni. Yage keke no rae no roto tojegbe. Oga ikeba ni pa na gitie sabo no la owo ko na gwa lomo ke ko pe na gwa lomo na esiko pe anege siko ku atu wansa ona do dere na veri oni o pe ni na le most of ona le oga imi o abi money ne o ya anyo ge do gele hin na do ha we maybe we ige to ya mo ekonike oere imano na wa be mi so owe owi ma ese no bie omo da owo hin no mo anwa na ogwalera omo anwa ogwalera beti ana mi awe omo no we ma gengen no we ma gengen woro omo na da bie o mu me ne ro mo wa da bio la dian ana da bio ni o me no hin gbomo o wa me no hin gbomo ogo mon we ma o ma mu wa da bie do we de ro one maybe we yes fine we okay do la dian responsibility we ga no okay do akedo bio responsibility we ga no ave bio ne o wetie o a send a picture egwe o boke kan no ya ka picture ni o me no we gbo momo ni no wale o keke aire awa mama wo oyin no oga oyin oga mo anwa na ogwalera na me awe oga na o de Africa fine even we gonna say omon we ka wo nware ogwaluwe oga say ye may do we exist am I we western world pa we te mo pa bo we o wa wo pe ani me mi ropopa obi ona agbe ni hejo at least ikowo gie aya ikowo gie ko ya mo enwe ma gbere I don't understand. O pe ani e mi ro pa ego e baba na we me onoko na mu ye hia. Hia do bie. Eni o pe ani mo so aro baba. Den o pe agi zon dan. Ona ihion ge. But o money je hia yo pa o mu ye. But o pe no ri dore. Vous no gwa ko money. Me mi va ne ve mana. Ve Europe we mana. No do gwa ko money. The money ga inwa o kan me yo pa no e do ka win ede o o yan do.
But only me tamu we only me wa understand the way I do planning or money we na gona nia e money bun ro o wa no kokinya no mudi awera ni eyan begi serian no bian ni.
No ni adadi.
So igbinani o wa kan ye be gbinaru de I do planning. I do planning zebe ni no money mukiani. We osare ko o enira no muhia because don't na guy Joseph Ogbaoge Joseph Igagben ye marriage invitation no ye go say ko giyan de ni ado bege ingna no sabo anwina we na get yori de yi wa guy bege ne o money o here to boy o hanging ya be do so bobe one money
e pa go be mi evane Opa
Ware.
Obi okani here we marriage. Here na we rabo. Here na we rabo. Ona a stepfather ge. If we any have a man, any have a boy now, any have a now who do a boyfriend or girlfriend. A man now, a boy now, right? But I say, I here we marry because we no we are is your kere. Ige iyame mi. Era na dori egbela jana we ma di. Ye me rave egbera na. Akia be mu go mu yi okpe ana no. Okpe ani ke bia okpe ane ne we ne ata no be wisdom ona we o. Ye ti die.
Only metamu we na.
The
Only
reference you.
what no ro.
No, brother. Now.
Yeah. Ona we ye ti die. Era ye no. Iya kama eru dem na na yoko again is that marriage ona kunye you. Ama you okay Europe man me wa be mie. E boy ga anahi. Era mazeyo. Again okay ya we marriage. Era na ade. Ona what instruction you have a get where so person like this. Because of that, our name invitation card elaba.
Good.
Elaba. Anywhere. The son here married now is your biological son. Anywhere no. If it's your biological son, what is the invitation card? I mean, you have a friend. Me I invite. No, you are sick. You have nani are sick. Where is it?
But only a regime marriage, you know, only your original marriage.
Marriage.
Original.
Original no.
Brother.
Original.
Sorry, hey, I'm son where we recently. Mama Gani Egbe. Or my invite.
Wage Abella we gwa o. Wagwa Abella.
True, in a client. After again now we birthday name, man is no we marriage name, man is sweet yeah.
You understand?
Now, ije boy na no marry again now. Again now we boy na me misunderstanding or be a baby. The baby was I think 6 weeks. Do you know that? Iana je era no magba oge yati born again now. Where a day marriage oge o ma kweni rare. Ije na we eru nyave do awu ni edo agwalo vive. Again, I think last month, more pete waste of me now. Over doyana wa here, we manana suno. Mary Meguegwana, the girl is fighting her mother seriously. She's not enemy to the mother. So Glen so turn upside down now nani mage. So my own opinion is just the way ikbia. Nia try. I mean why Gualo, you say it from the beginning. I will use myself like an example. I'm so sorry. Sister Matama we are marriage he can't swear because he's a cheating man. He
A princess or maybe you plan near Yamia. Where they even not to turn back. Right?
Yes,
only
because
the
now
woman Dame Hoje, the woman, a man
or Magba woman now abandon again now.
Or maybe not say
Mama, ya sweni okuoni self or lile ogyoba very meguegwana
because any woman no makwenene or the man miomo na me the man go ogoni asu sebe ga se na
no the girl the girl walele je gbe very meguegwana.
Okay, ene Abella gwa.
Sefe title me.
Mudia ye, love it. Mudia, aron pare mana mudia my gwa. Abella, Efe.
Waya domo, waya bavu, waya rewe, waya wesi. Otana no wakana, okakabo jeme, and okakabo viriere mesinye. Why gwige itore ba because you phone call la me phone. Udege no wa tana, Oma begbe ban ni mama ma di egbe matana. Emi ni mi ewo ni pe ana le somo ai mi no gba o pe ave mero obia me emenunu ohon ege okwo ni ogi fi opa ni ke umi goriere umi emi ro pariere orere appointment ro wo mo or show up a parents meeting or river Iya ma appointment to mana Settie vejo ijiya na vejo o ibieka ni ojo o tiyan ve fun uwa ve hiya u show a consign emi ya ewa igo na rigo yawu ami ya ve ba na rigo yawu iya ve show the only thing ni yata ọmọ anware ọgwalomere avikpia na iya gave mwere regboto ove mini we egbe ni ya kevere tinya ve mwere regboto a o kama ve we no right e family o iya ve step in ya oni onota ni mekaka bo no ve ya because wo je meto na imina I no de ina climb a platform ogoro okpa we no de iya na atemo okpa wo we egba we 31 years ina tai oma veni meje me seti mo oma ne gbe kakabo gba lo veni matani wa ya set ya wa tai evani o kan wuje egbera ba ina we me seti ijo money book biani for the past 31 years forgive okpiani ve hore omwe okpiani yobo saloba wo keka salobwa ore ni ate uwe egene ijomo ya rie omo no bie omo no suseji ne egene okpiani do asho do agboliri nene mi ni ata we omo na ne no mo ere nene mi osunu na ni inye bi evege ni ya tamo pe ni we no lawo na mi nu na e magba
Azenorek di mano.
okay ke ni ya ta because inye do ta we ego no ugbe si ya ta we ego we ke ego kana avanaba ina agwe brother mo pagun a ina de we Nigeria ina de ibieke so inya inya he pure water iya na mahere gbe no he pure water me na no ewe parents we owijinye fe bus driver oweri yen wune ina we he Jesus use ina wa taveri owe erinyara life eto wa we but awunya wune ina wa minu o mi gbe wa tamu we nye ha no nye ha
Niji ya wako ye yari ono.
ena we why de gbeta wa gunu wa ge ma oweri yen wune awunya me mieri yen for 6 years na okay ena feko ena wa wansun ina do emie so na do aro me medina we awo mo gwalera jo o gwalijejo they no say no more na gwalera jo ga wa gele temena ega ni be Nigeria maybe era ne no mo iyan vera ije vera hiro ne no mo do aguje owe o le lije ki odo yen do tawe obo sera o era ove he dey do better than his mother I to understand when he try nita o money na pa owonya ya gwaleri all those things ogavia gwera era ri oku ove oku ni owo money pakapaka o money ove lade owonya wa ya gwaliji yan we ga yan wi yan wa me ni yan won because e ma na peace iro yan na ya gwaleri yan wi yan
Ebe ono pa my lady. We omo anware ogwalera bo wa. We maybe ona ga okpia o kiari okwu. A family okwu ni. Here ni the parents say mostly right.
Mu de mi atemo pam imi atama wena. A senior brother me. Era me ogune re 2 years ago era me na wu. Ije be na do a 50% ihin o 50% edo 50% data ije me o viedo. So 12 years ago oteve no ma ya wane o ma wane 12 years ago oteve no jona do bie ogi bie owo ni e bie na ona ya gbiyan kan ge we no ma egbera e na ni na do ba lo teme no dion ona do buje mi ade owe ije mo vi ma adiedo ije mo oviedo no do ri yen ya mi itirame ije na dorie ya mie itira me ori se ewera me so we ije na ona do mie otira mo pa yiro ome iwu ona do agie ge ekokogera me na hin egede gira me ori beni ori mukpe dato ona do age mi ya wa rice itira me na okpeni agwale oteme nodion because oteme nodion ohia seti gbobo yebe because emi ogera me ya fefefe oteme nodion ma gbobo yebe seti si viyan bo oni otejiyan ya agwale oteme so agido time oteme nodion na tam oteme nodion we si na ni ya o makanya emi nojo oteme nodion we ya gwale e family rien. You understand? Eyo nyagata na points oteme nodion adiowa. Onyo jo teme nodion ona ile niya wodo. Boya o wetin ya gwale family ogeriyan. O ya gwale family ogenenemi. O wiena ijo pia ni biena owo mohwo because ikpe so yan to regbe la ogiyan is to o wetin me momo ime movi me ime mule no vinye ina we me ina wa agiyan imagunwa. You understand? Owe egera isene gimme whether to vinyo nyamo ijo mo gwanveriana me na wa ina wa age ni ata ina we madam ma wo we bu mana maje o ma me ko pa no bi we ya ta we nya do nya go vinye gunwa imamu efone o nya ne wo vinye o ma on vive 2 weeks oje no ya vianti in fact me hili no ya gbekpo no ya do ekinodo ina we mota mo pia o ko ga wenu we mi ovi we bole arie court si o ko ni arie court because we were right o ga to vi we mu arie court we ti yen fighting no vi yen ginye oni arie life for wo vi yen udegi mena I will be so very very proud of that man mo hian we do amomo iwe ya agwa lo bia hian we you no call your pikin no you know they ask of your pikin no and no go fit do am ave run away father na niya na o we a marriage yan ya do aziegbe he keni no vian no hu my dear a lot of them will be very very disappointed. Marriage is not for everybody and not be everybody now wants to do the traditional marriage. No way court marriage gelawa a marriage of a work of a real waya domo waya wesi ile maneri ya tase.
That's it, my sister. Omo agwedia.
I agree the also. Wayava wabava.
Bohia.
Tutu tije elie kuka adam ehemen watawa. You know the idea. I'm not in support of Biani Lese or more who. Definitely in here there is a reason behind it. Immediately soon video. Biake do neko mo. There was having an agreement. Eva Yakube or money carry. But along the line, there is something that will happen that trigger demand. No, not that he will support you in remote, because most people they are like you but there is something most time you plan that go in case one zero momo. Oh, we ogare lokojani are sokoto ke wani zero yo ke wani ko yan ya gwegwan biani boya plan dagmi ya plan we kin komo o han gba ri opa awon akugbe bi opa ora do sunu we ri oni wo ni ri ku biani fo o biani ri remi emi no do sunu no ma gin aseto or the so gbe because they feel disappointed At the same time, biani na be baveri oni, ma gengion money. Okay, ni so yeso ye gedo biani onya money. O meso go biani yeso ikweso we mo manego bia go gio bia. You know, yeah, we when you boom, I got tell what I'm so. You boom to take the truth because a feeling of more or a blood way we be so mad them a feeling no money. Okay, do say 20 no. Ologo most time ologo. Aka kana kaka boa say do biani ogele kwenya money do ko ni ma mo we gyo biani. Ologo. I don't know, but from my own thinking, I mean, me ho. When you meje,
Panolene responsibility ole.
sorry,
Yeso garo.
yeah, when you meje, me marry ne, mo kuwa.
No.
We feel your money meme,
Panolene responsibility o wale.
we feel your money meme. We bia wo ku agba tuta we na so na.
Ipa. Okay, okpiana ya mo ebe ko wo omo no kpia wo na mugin according to the statement where ogin yin
Yeah.
na deny. Okay. O pian we marriage we never renia. We deni
It
iso.
doesn't. Unnecessary. Unnecessary. It's in the same time. Let me talk about the marriage
Bros
aspect.
media epa bros egui nu ya we foran any okpia we running na do show up later. On fully we what money ogin no.
Okay.
Okpia normal uno or uno pushing responsibility ogin no mavi ade ya botsara.
Okay.
Even again net
For
na
me,
vitana
yeah.
any movie ado ya get away with it. Okpia ni do.
Ikwonibun omobo bring out those evidence with their bun. Those men they also have their own reason, but the reason
Women
here there is no matter of the reason. No keke we ni agu some money any agba okay. As long we are
epa
100% confirm you over here all money.
epa wa mudia memne atana.
Okay.
Ikpiari ma ya atimi okpa noro me.
Okay.
Ikpiari ma ina me one kind attitude. They like it. Nia get away with everything. Nia really how. If they can't get away with it, they burn it to give the blame to Ihuoni.
No.
Yes, but then
Etaverio woman like to get away with
a
everything.
topic now is about we are not about no more.
Yeah. Yeah,
Now,
I'm not in support of it. I will never be in support of it.
yeah, bro,
But
said me. As Okpiani abandon no money. Emi no Yokpiani ya ladia we had to participate in marriage or money a collective price. The man full down.
soon where your waga got is in a my sister. It is about my way. Biani no do collective bride price.
Oh,
When man marry, you ever right? On money market can have with traditional marriage. Oh, your money where your money where money when you hear those days when I level do when you your money where money man I marry. Oh yeah, ever right in a do ya traditional marriage. Am I wait to collect a bride price? Am I wait to money collect a bride price?
Oge family na ulele oge family maka ma we atukpe awe ne abandon no mo.
No, wait. No, according to you, when they do collect a bride price. So me, I'm trying to make that area clear. When I am maybe marry or remember we go maybe I collect a bride price. It's not done.
Self entitlement now is becoming too much.
I have put it on air there. I have to go back. If not, one side is corrupt. And a babe, marriage mudia.
Okay, brother, Lobeto Sude. Now, the fact is this. We are not leru. We are not leru, right? Umagba ugomo. For some reasons, a brother said DNA ban or equal. Fine, I agree. Equal waka but wa misbehave, right? It's so out of anger, right? They can't control their anger, right? A problem hero, a behavior a woman, or jawe yakba. But then, uma ye trust or money do bueno. Simple. A DNA na be move by your to yawu. You go get a DNA done. A DNA prove well money 1 year.
Do you know most women, this thing you just say easily like this, do you know most women will never ever agree to do it? No, have you noticed many men is asking for this thing now? Many men here walk around with even
Yes, now.
for you not to trust them.
Okay, now listen. It depends on also another way, brother Damio, also another way. Wahianle loku or wahianle lukbia. You look for a matured person that have a matured brain to date.
That will not ask of DNA. Is that what?
No, not that will not ask for DNA, right? Wa no DNA ne here reason very only okay. No ya when DNA ya with DNA here, but a matured woman will take it from you. When imagine for some reasons I don't know what's running in your head. Una gege bumi ade we a sweetheart me DNA with DNA. My darling, I won't be bothered. More time I okay, the hospital in Marie wa because I'm matured. I support your reason. I see whatever that is running in your head, I'm with you. I support you, right? Right? Because I trust myself. But me where you know, you used to agree to mine.
That is it.
It depends on who dates. I don't know if you get me. By choice, then you go to struggle for DNA, you go to struggle for a normal conversation, you go to struggle for everything. At the end of the day, where you learn there.
Gave a small book who have dated small boy.
I don't know if you get me. Now, in that situation,
you categorize those kind of small boy.
I explain. Now, in that situation, when no hold away DNA, a problem is one or the other. We can move on. When no hold away DNA, Okwoni Ogberejan, Walairi, then when not but on pending problem yeroto as a matured man. My do money do when except we are a push around man. Money jagba okay wherever you are. Okwoni ga no 20 euro or 5 euro me rere. Once in every 6 months then one your boy nemo money okay where you know move on, write that very date, keep that very record. Keep your record, be vigilant, keep your record, right? In case of a marriage in future time, always keep your record, always have a witness. Around that woman. Hey brother, pa, do you know these days, brother, where it happens, a boy and girl will be dating each other. A girl man anybody with a family man now. A man and anybody with family again now. Social media. Did you know?
Only the baby dating now. Only immaturity, Natana.
Okay, now when this
that is the big immaturity.
Now when this happens, a woman give a details to a family woman now we go say where am you now we no we keep details the woman said she's just pushing you here and there. Now we're not where here the woman along the line your back by a marriage you have a sunu. Woman excuse you give, but we gotta keep a details. A marriage na sunu. In that case, ya mi agbadi abu ya do where a romo, but una
marriage now. You might get it. And I mean where the man not pass okwonia. Let us assume where the man not pass okwonia no magba or money. And I mean a time I'm say when a doka way or money can we marriage. Money, yemana maro kwobe legally maro kwobe or migo yoko. Yeme right na ya collect a bride price but mo yeme ye suponi na ya collect a bride price.
Iveta manaba awe uleledo.
Star Wakoyo, it didn't say we cheap in him ba because when you make a taban, sister in dog with or do taban we a degi de. Or we continue in our my way when no my benukiri. In your barrel, ake bielima, we so road and agbene yoto. emo nyimeni mahiani no hia cross wini. Secondly, okwo ogwalige mo ipianibun when the Europe yaye on ya judge the whole situation. If we not soon with Europe or look at them not soon with do or look at the daily no redo. Or name soon no wato boeria he no decide the way a law makaberio. The law is blind to every situation. Do wawo biana meminu wagba ye when I make a mistake. Egi mistake in affect or honey. There are some kids we can imagine their parents a neighbor ya hamia we ya no gweru wani eruwe or na eruwe or ye not a bastard. So here came and I go okay Japan go lera Africa or if waiting when he what do just to know his roots etiam a relationship. So no prevent or more from getting the right source of a kenokere you boy you no money in a wadog because a problem in your life for money. We can not soon no be any way. Your money are part of the mistake. The fact that EJ make a mistake doesn't mean the child should make mistake. Whether you like it or not, let that child know the roots. That child or even no young why. That child, you to walk here to take a decision, oh boy. So you will not do overreact. Trying to carry problem on top problem. Any adult be ya moiti bati. Odorio ya neo ero mono ya we ma.
Mudiane epa wana miewu wamubota we woni ga made a mistake ne wani be made a mistake.
Why you got drag money yo?
Mudia wani be made a mistake. Wana money ya yo nwoku.
Okay, baby relationship. Two people made that mistake.
There is a mistake. It's not intentionally. Abandon no more.
Okay, let's go back to that. Let's talk about it. Right, this starter Taliban Mommy Empress. Right, he marry my mother for me now I'm shoe. Then ijo da for me now do tawe erie imakwene era me like marriage me no mind egbe nikere or something like that. Okay, right. That is bullying number one. I will hold my husband responsible for that. If you are writing on here, you are bullying me.
No. That's where you are getting it all wrong.
No.
That is your thing.
That's where you are getting. You were making mistake in there from giving you the fake background.
Me finish. I'm still coming.
Let us finish.
No, brother, you only number one because it's me and my husband that have issue. You, as my mother-in-law, you supposed to scold me. Life problem, man. You know, the problem there, my emotional problem, my family issue they may go through. You don't know how I'm handling that problem within me. That's number one. Then number two is this. Nobody knows this. Okay, Gabi assume did you know if I'm having a war with my mother at the very moment? Did you know if I'm fighting my mother, why she put me into that mess? Did you know? So she's another big bag of trouble. You don't bully me in my husband's house to start with. And I'm not going to answer her. Even what say my husband will go in for it. Your mother have no right to bully me in my house. This is my own suffering. We go through now. You don't know what I'm going through. We my erame or rather erame makokome. You know, you don't know the burden I'm carrying. The issue, excuse you. Then nikwe ikabeta pa nikwe ne obiani ya bie na miemu ni mwemode. A lot of women, 40% of women, fair enough in yawe. They believe we akiama ese mecology. They believe we obiani ya bie na the only pay back in yamene all your money economy money. it's only 40 to 30 to 40%. All the nonsense in it. And the Kema say only. And I still repeat, more marry or more friend or more any year soon. A matured woman will never do that shit. Believe me, a matured woman will never do it. Or say, okay, look, heaven may watch it, no left for more. I don't know if you get me. So, right? A day marriage your money re. When money, you love for money serio. We can't presentable. Right? I insist when you are a bright price enough or whatever. Out of that love, no money, genuine love as a father. That's how we all have to know how to have peace, have to be with peace. A piece of human 247. Have that genuine love, no money.
My sister, go and observe you where at this moment.
Yes.
You have a very nice summit. Understand me now. Ekeno we marry by you is the correction, because when I go away, when you go through school, the school goes through you. Understand me now. You've been in that situation of separation, and the effect has also happened to you. If you want to correct people, you will now tell them your testimony. I'm outsider, honor don't law against him, because my mother did not rectify that fault. If your mother had rectified, how do you eliminate it? That day of separation, marriage is a day and I are separate. That day of separation, all identity should come out. If you still keep a fake identity, people that beware, people weakness everything, they will still use it against you some other day. Also, that my way, you are a bastard. They will from here go to Ghana, go to Nigeria, just to go and trace their root. That original copy of their life history. That is the point. So anybody no marry original copy, you said because someone else trained that child, or do pick up, or do neighbors here is already a fake arrangement.
I accept, brother. I accept you, but my stance still remains. Is a different thing. Somebody outside tell the truth to my face. Where do you know you're a bastard? I think your father is from Ghana or is from Jamaica. Then he ignore money where you two, you're a bastard. He move on. Not my own mother-in-law. Do I believe me, man? Come on, you breaking my heart. Don't come and remind me of my past.
My sister, wait. Then you go,
Yeah, contribute to your bastard in
it.
We have different way of.
Please, what guy? TikTok, WhatsApp, TikTok,
Right.
I love TikTok. I love TikTok show. Why you say
because
I love TikTok. I love TikTok.
TikTok yo. What's the level why
a different way raw to classify a being in Wayuziban. A being oku wayare dictionary oku namamuigo yo amari
Waguve power type wayari please me to power type maniroduku why power type
so
yani recommend session please wani recommend session please me to power type comment session me to power type not those
according to so anybody can teach you will be anyhow we no like. You understand? So on ye rockba. For me, rockba. But if ni matana, a topic in matana. Oh, me no magba or or someone. Whether or money or one very nuna luvekije. Eko wetama we una guy the reason we manari ne money. Umari gwale bejo money. Nutia where omona. Ne noviwaga meme yo ne ni gwegwa ve o mai nwa wo mai kyon bi alike maybe or 11 years or 12 years mai ti wo keni agwegwa o se na gogwa na ve fun o ma oni gwije gwa to gu mo wije ni agwo mo na gwa direct at least upo no ive se na ni ve we nyera ve da gwa ve ni ekpo mese awe obi we gbo aji e ve ya ji e mi yama oni we meti ve ni no ve yen we iyo ko ma o e ma so fa no ro wa kugbo. You understand? umawu eko we kama we money ogwe o kian dugi on mejo everything u ka ne bi ko we de no we we so kian de o
My
jabu
sister.
de ke dan
My sister. When we handling of so amaga temata, when I handle how will you handle that truth? Sometimes we feel pain hearing the truth. But the truth, we should learn how to handle it, especially for women. We should learn how to handle truth.
yes
Don't use the truth against the person that speak it out.
No,
Go to
no.
the bottom of the root and cut it off.
Yes.
exactly o ni me try ni me tana
Wait,
Eminatana
Damian,
brother is it?
let me land.
well
Let me
we
land.
as an
Let me
excuse
land.
when ni je
In a moment.
lu
In a moment. What I'm trying
excuse.
to say here, my sister, when the mother-in-law tell me, fine, you may feel offended, but she's not the architect of the problem.
Exactly.
You may feel offended of what she said, but normally, as she have said the truth, that is the truth. But you feel offended, get anger, but don't put the anger on your man, because if not, the same thing the same pain that your enemy passed through, that is the one you are trying to also put your children at this moment. If you send this, if you get this anger on the one you are with, the one the pain your enemy passed through, the one you go to give birth to now, you want also to put them into that pain. Because we become generational something. But if you can be able to stand, no, I will not want my home children to pass through what I passed through. You have to do everything possible to train this one now with the one you are with. Don't send it out. Sending it out, your home will still pass through that thing. This thing will continue.
No, brother. Uma understanding me. Eti hiya ya hiye zona uwame. Emi try nita na hiwe. Right. Ije maybe no at this very moment right now.
Yeah.
Emi no ro megbe. Ma bo ye na gwi. Yeah, discipline, de tare. Ye me wo bu eta ma me we awe no sunu na warrior baby me. And I you take a correction me. E ke do buena very abuta mu we. Ye mi no sunu dera me bi je me go through. Ya gu me gwan. You don't mind me no re ho me mind me ni battle we ho me. You don't know the
You are
I
right.
understand. Okay, only mommy waiting here. If you answer because amaya mama me, ita me wije wa gutabe do if you answer in one, right? Then mama wo me here to we even ijwe ya gu megwa imagine ya time do TikTok e do be si be do ibe do
Yeah, no ya go go ma like opi o ba lo we we.
Now emi no revanis ikabe taiba be no re
The man are mature enough. Okay, cannot tije. All can me well.
Dan, okay, that aside, aside to on in be no okay abiomo na bia le o ho le. It's not a bank sunu be no ke sunu anything. Right? Oh, bia me reason no gule. O me reason no gu wo bia de go mo but in the majority of it equal reason oriyan. But so it valid in the sense that if you get more out of a payback where or lot of women at the end of the day, on a do a misbehave, on a do a little or money every day. Majority of equal anywhere or bruise, few equal or get a year or balogue or piana or what get the senia or mamma back okay more near in few years time or few equal or warning. Majority of equal out of jealousy out of for serving o ya le mebe o ya le Miriam anya ya dueni adi ya ni dueni ni amaye se o lohian and ihwo ni bun out of e behavior ke ma oni ya mede enya beja duwe but ya ni bun what I'm trying to say me no re gbi ya do re gbi ku but ya ni bun e wa be problem ya wa ni iya mama chodi se as in iya wa mature na wa ya biele na wa ya produce na wa ya reprocreate but iya ma mature the say okay then ya handle a situation or robona then ya look na you only stake obi me emi kere ke wa sunu ya igbepo if no sunu be no sunu go wa okay no sunu ya re no sunu bi ndi okay no sunu ya re kafashan ya le ruruane distance break anything breakable. Distance, I get distance involved with marriage, with relationship, with family. Oh, what girlfriend. Distance is a step in. My dear, everything is dead and gone. Eri understand ibeje. E cannot why vena understand why we
the normal
nani
thing
e
so ya wo
work.
ko na
Akiso
gba ro
am
ne
understand
wo
no
gba
ya
pa
follow
wi
up.
wo ya ni ati lady we me asu no
So
me I don't know how they are planning how they are planning
obinya
that.
veva oje. Emi no yo bia ya lerurua. No o mo no biena. O mama gbe no ya we DNA. Nothing. I still go back to to the very first beginning. Second no money here we marriage or mo bia no mo no second no ya we marriage. And ugele ewu love mona. Eko we kama we go bueno. Uje yo ahon go here we marriage. As a fatherly love in umene una ahia. A love of we are here. Tu ya we are gwalo ma no common yo okay gbo mu we are here. And me as your mother, I might come to my child marriage. Yeah, te in your way go away marriage. In love in him when yeah here. Oh yeah, when take me. You have a total. I will be a member of the committee, whatever it is. Yeah, there go be me all ye joy me we more marry. We no be na hino marry. No, we no ko na hino marry na. You have attending for navy, but that is the love in my mind. You are about me when I don't move ye high table. That don't tell me where the mother of Mr. Name. No, I went there because out of the love. Who will come here? I will bless you with my prayers. Who have a well, no mako when I lie, when I go away. I will still say, I love you, son. May God bless your home. I will go away because I knew I wasn't in the picture from the very first beginning. When you are not there, you did it. When you're not there, you really didn't there. Take it or leave it.
You didn't there,
You know the day, you know the day now.
Yeah.
You didn't there, my sister.
Didn't there,
You didn't there. Where
Yeah, normally, mama come
but the love,
invite you.
the love
Mama
is
can up
there.
with you. For me, when you are not invited, you don't supposed to be there in the first
But
place.
the love is there now. The love is there.
You
Must there
see,
be your marriage to tell you I love you, son?
yeah. At the same time, if you want me to be there, you will invite me.
You could have managed to have a better black. I Matthew, where is you? Una de marriage, you want to go to
Invite
woman, you go and
me.
make it.
Because a distraction can ya cause you ano. If you know you are not as a man, what be acting?
ya
Who read that money from the one? You have not been there. Whoever Marco Kelmas anything.
Now,
Or second, oh yeah, we marriage. You
that
don't
is
have
here,
to.
now
I'm
back off.
at you. Why are you there? Why are you going? How do you even get
Only man change love in women. Only man change love in women. No, not gonna love. Only man change we wake up where. Only man change. You can still be sitting down at in the last line. We were church. What pray? Ne what bless it? What bless it?
Mama.
Emma yede dem. Emma no one. I don't know. I did that with you joking.
Mama, I love you all this time. Oh my God, about say marriage, about the love you.
No, only damn your mommy.
I
Only
do.
my
This is all
talisi.
my
It might be way. It might be where we no sunu. It might be where we no sunu between inhabije and behavior rije or move the man. The man ya lerurua. But the mistake was not the man he lerurua ne or mari zedia when he akumoji and name money.
Exactly.
I don't know if you get me.
Yes.
But only mommy woman love her money. Like I said, Mabe we ti wa agui ban for years. Ma wa agui as in a gbasgbo so ma wa yero to. You can work in marriage or where he marry or whatever good any good is not the life way. Who invite me? My invite me. I still love you, dear. I will be there. You won't know I'm there. I will bless you whatever it is.
Me one no suyomo. Or you suyomo. Wow no mo. The responsibility to that or who or movie. Ni according to the guy anytime our blood is thicker than water. Being away blood in your gully thick than water. In your manner, we honor get you a legamoni. Ya name we are not quick to get the woman. If you know that any with you now way, ne we worry or tell us your money about ma or G my wife take you as a family, mama de about my and ask common. Anything no more we are river. Iji ya ivetting ya wa we ya you going are ya we ya fine even na beg ya but wa me money who family of a cabo copy. It's na legai or money. What a son. So who have no tie na money shana we marriage. Family of a bully a man latin we had you. Odo what a son. When you have your so your mammy or your mammy way, it's with our Marariva, my representative. Is understandable. A mammy anybody. By way marriage, about what show love, what love is it? La keep Events they are doing this thing intentionally to get away with it, to reap
Topic now, way forgive baby father, yes or no? They not forgiving you and I forgiving you. A reason I can't go forgiving you, a reason I can't go forgiving you, I can't go. The marriage will capitalize in Yanni. I won't marry me like my phone. And maybe that day is the simplest day. Or motor sera. I be more understanding me now. So a day we capitalize in Yanni. On your increase, and maybe there's no big deal about marriage.
Bros,
Edima
keke no show efese, oni metana. Baby father no abado no mama keke no show efese.
Keke no show, keke na forgive.
Keke no do die va. Eva mi ame no na.
Eva o ma ve odo e no koke. Eko sweat on ma ve no ya epe koko mo ya do rip.
Yes now. Yes now. Even Enika ogwuyan ove mo we mani.
Why the money have decide? Why decide the money?
Money decide. Mo kedo nwa anye ma wijin yo kokiyen. Owo gwa me mo na bege. Okwo pare o ware.
Don't call it na we only emiri e wo kan we.
Fair enough, brother. Are we only near a marriage? Never problem. Because women of me, metopi me healing never money we may problem we here marrying. Okay, the one we have you who wanna cover your cake bear. Who understand our primary marriage and planning marriage ahead. Who the why I go every me. Because no more ballad, do ya say, and kegana be or more do ya say, no more ya with marriage. Minimum age, no more ya with marriage, maybe 20. You may understand. So you know what more balo you know from the very first day ni biomo, you know why I'm at the age of 20 as hina.
Abi.
So by then, maybe I wear no because maybe move on or away only me and next year away marriage a year now you have me year. Wagu onu mi obi me wo no je marriage wo we o ma beni ja boy we mu me gia ya gwalo iye ke no kere tu we nu atota yo kegbe abi tu awa mi nu ta me wa we marriage ranu wa gba iro wa na owo no carry on because me why ime marriage me gije we no gwalo jo ha mame a marriage yo to o ga we aoje ya wa ya mi on ni ta me bi we marriage ima we no do mo kagbe ba ni. Fair enough. Rejemi ya yo to. But ore amatie no bia. Omatie ra me matie ra. Nene mana gbepo na ate di marriage. Okiro hedo gbodi hi. Iga wa amamu ye community share ma amamu ye erudede no biomo. Guy. Hey. What you see you go take am. Because obi me here we marriage ni. Megi mo we egbuwe mede me do mi o ka gbo we ikamo iwe find this ikamo ka gbo we omo ni bia nu wa gbonu gbe na ohia mare o cause a new wa ohun ni esagi wa ro egbe ime na gi mo we ya ajebe tamu we to bo we igwale we ikama we area wa ta say but me ro wodo ne ma be we gi me ni ma hia gba plan ikamo ka gbe ni wa wo ka gbo ke do discuss wa ke do plan de ba we me kuwe kegbewe ogi me shu with ovi me wa igbaro be me do ma ki kame yo me move on so kuwe kegbewe be ya bo bi me ogi ebe wa ya ro be me de dem me ma ogi me no koku we anyway oda for me ogun ya gwaleri yen o itamu kagbe ne o iveta mera ne iyan ri ebe ni ya din ya ile ku egbiyan but baba we oda for me nu wa ko egwere wo right now back off. Why even why here? Obi man comes to terms with you people. Why be that why here they don't body give any on what do you wear about more kagbe me it's not taken. It's not accepted. Obi why be accept why be why here? Obi be give me details. Why here? A day marriage gare ma ba o wa me why be ko be back off then why carry on. So the relationship, the agreement is between you people and the girl or the boy that is getting married. I'm not involved except in a way for years. And then soon we don't want done after 20 years. Then I'm just fake. I'm still taking after you. I'm still lusting after you. So we just have to say and then accept it the way it is. 80%, let me say no, 65% a 40 the man, no, while the other percent a 40 the woman, no, or rather a 40 money, no. Don't accept it right, don't accept it right. That's just it.
You are very right. This is a nice summit. So why you
for both our background is get everything.
Okay.
Yo, wa bele kai. E me mi awon e gbon na ni wa kana. Ko say me bi ra ma take off for models. O se be ka aro. Na me bi we stepfather re. The stepfather re o mo bo agaga but the stepfather re ni, yin e take off. The Beijing yen ni. O bo wa ni abi je be je tin today. O go point me now. But okay with marriage. Ona yo bo babu because e right era no. O be ka ya we marriage ere arewa we less than orewa ni.
forget whatever
Me say be bia mi roba. Abi o be gbera say be bia ni di ma be ya eba. No ka mi e
Then I
wa.
like okay. Agba ma be man
na we
for
opinion
many
na
years when I went let down, no.
Princess
Me
Mudane
ma
na
understand though.
Princess Mudane everybody opinion no be give now.
Ah, we let down.
Mudane princess we Mudana calm down my sister. But opinion me is sweet we maybe we sweet me we are human. Get point me now. So gani ya obo babu because why esene di stepfather ge wu na ni o ma mi oni so na take stepfather ge no na take off stepfather ge o get point me now a stepfather ge can't represent the marriage ni andora do bobe sunu emi ekwe we no ne kate be so no se na be say marriage be na ni e boro ba kai yo de mi no mo boro wa we go no mula gwa be do ayo waste time oga na energy oga yiwani the person agwa kan aka give ewa be di agbe o enwanye be di agbe ono eke na ke wuwe o bi so waro se fi ado bo ya ti be do wiyeje because omo iya we ka we gbe omo wiyejo agbe wa be ono do boy maybe awo ke mara gele weekend no matter man can take off obiye ave ka me wo ke wa do represent we ke kan wa be do we marriage all the we marriage wa do represent e kan zebira o ma be ti we turn up any no way, mi obi. So what do we make me? That is my opinion.